Asynchronous method call in Python. I was wondering if there's any library for asynchronous method calls in Python. It would be great if you could do something like or to call a non-async routine asynchronously. It would be great to have a more refined strategy as native in the language core. Was this considered?
You can use the multiprocessing module added in Python 2.6. You can use pools of processes and then get results asynchronously with. For example, this is only one alternative. This module provides lots of facilities to achieve what you want. Also, it will be really easy to make a decorator from this.
Something like see the documentation at this URL for more details.
As of Python 3.5, you can use enhanced generators for async functions. Enhanced generator syntax. New async/await syntax.
It's not in the language core, but a very mature library that does what you want is twisted. It introduces the deferred object, which you can attach callbacks or error handlers, or backs, to. A deferred is basically a promise that a function will have a result eventually.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.